Are you looking to level up your content strategy in 2025 without breaking the bank or spending hours editing? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI video generators that will supercharge your content creation game. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized how we create videos. With these tools, you can produce high-quality videos in minutes, even if you have zero editing skills. From social media posts to product demos and training videos, AI has got you covered. First up, Pictory. Perfect for marketers and influencers, Pictory lets you turn scripts or blog posts into engaging videos. Just upload your text, and the AI picks the right visuals, adds voiceovers, and boom, you've got a professional video ready to go. Next, Synthesia. This AI tool lets you create videos featuring customizable avatars that speak in multiple languages. It's a game changer for global businesses and educators creating multilingual training content. Number 3, Runway. This tool is an all-in-one video editor powered by AI. Need to remove backgrounds, add stunning effects, or upscale footage? Runway's intuitive interface makes it super easy. Fourth on the list is Descript. Known for its text-based editing, this tool lets you edit videos like you're editing a Word document. Plus, it's packed with features like screen recording and AI-powered voice cloning. Last but not least, Lumen 5. This tool is tailor-made for social media marketers. It turns blog posts and articles into eye-catching videos with text overlays, animations, and music. There you have it, the top 5 AI video generators to transform your content strategy in 2025. These tools aren't just about saving time. They're about creating impactful, professional videos that connect with your audience. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on leveraging AI in your creative journey.